Hello everyone, welcome back to the TechBoxer YouTube channel. So in this video, we have a list of scenarios. Okay, so we are going to work on this all these scenarios, and we are going to fetch all this data by creating a single extracted data mapper. Okay, to solve this all these four scenarios using turbo extract data mapper, we have to create four turbo extract data mappers, right? But now we will create one extra data mapper to fetch all this data. uh, okay, first I will create a extract data mapper. Okay, interface type will be the extract, input and output type will be the JSON. Okay, so coming to the first requirement, fetch account records with the fields ID, name, rating, annual revenue, number of employees, industry, where industry is media and number of employees greater than 500. Okay, we need to fetch the account records, and we need to include these fields. Okay, five fields, six fields. Okay, and we need to apply the filter conditions where industry is media and the number of employees greater than 500. Okay, so in the extract tab, we need to add the object from which object we need to fetch the data, right? So in this drop down, select your object. We need to fetch the data from account object, right? So I have selected the account, and here in the extract output path, we need to set the node name. Okay, accounts one. Okay, I'm naming this node as a accounts one. Okay, this is a property, and this property will hold the list of accounts records. Okay, and what are the filter conditions are there where industry is media, right? Here in the filter drop down, select the filter field. Okay, where industry, select the industry field where industry equals to media. In the double quotes, enter the media. Okay, and what other field condition is the number of employees, right? Number of employees greater than, in the operator select the greater than symbol, and in the value, enter the value in a double quotes. Okay, because it won't take 5000 without double quotes. It it assume it thinks as a uh, parameter name. Okay, see here in the show here in the how the records, how the response will be formed. Okay, so in the output tab, we need to do the field mapping. Okay, what fields data you want to fetch, right? We need ID, name, rating, annual revenue, right? So search type ID so that you will get the list of possible values. Copy the same JSON path and paste it in the output JSON path. See here, observe. Okay, how the JSON output JSON path is forming. Okay, ID, name, type rating, rating, annual revenue, annual revenue, industry, industry, and 1, 2, 3. Industry we have added annual revenue, rating, name, ID, and what fields we have missed it. Number of employees, right? Yeah, you need to add the number of employees. You can check what fields you have added in the output JSON. Okay, number of employees. Okay, we have added all the six fields, right? Now I will go to the preview tab and I will execute our extract data mapper. See, we got the we got the result, we got the response, right? Yeah, and this response is in a accounts one node. For this property, the JSON has assigned. Okay, I think with these filter conditions only one record we are able to fetch, right? Okay, we'll go to the second one. We need to fetch the opportunity records. Fetch the opportunity records with fields ID, name, close date, stage name, amount, where amount is greater than 500, right? So I will go to the extract tab, and in the you will see a option add extract step, right? We are here in this drop down. We need to select the another object, right? We need to fetch the data from opportunity object. So search for the opportunity object. I will name this node as a ops2. Okay, what filter conditions are there? We need to filter this opportunity records where amount is greater than 500. So in the filter drop down, select the amount field, and operator is greater than, and in the value type 500, right? So now go to the output tab. So here we need to do the field mapping. Okay, what fields we need to fetch from the opportunity? ID, name, close date, stage name, and amount, right? Yeah, type ID and search for the ops2 colon ID. Now here we got that. Search for the name, ops2 name, the name, minimize it, and click on the place symbol again. Search for the stage name, search for the close date, and what fields we need to add, stage name, amount. You can see from here the right hand part, stage, close date, stage name ID, and the amount field is missing. Now we will add that too. Okay, we have done the field mapping, right? Now we will go to the preview tab. We will execute the our extract data mapper. See, for the ops2 node, this is a list we got, right? How many records we got? Here also you can check the count of records that is written. For the first one, we got the one record, and for the second SOQL query, we got the it is yeah. For the second SOQL query, we got the 8 records, and you can see here the SOQL query how it is formed. Okay, the next scenario is fetch all contact records with the name and email, where email ends with the salesforce.com, right? So we'll go to the extract tab and click on this add extract step and search for the contact object. Okay, here I will name the node as a cons3, and we need to apply filter condition for the email field. Email, we need to, here in the operator we need to use a like operator, right? Because we need to fetch the records where email ends with a salesforce.com, right? So this what this like operator will do, it will search for the salesforce.com where it is present in email field for each record. Okay, salesforce.com means in each record, if the email field contains the salesforce.com, it is going to fetch that record. Okay, cons3 name, output JSON file, give the same the path name and type email. So we got the cons3 email. Yeah, we have added the two fields from the contact object. You can see here in the current JSON output. For the third task, we are fetching the email and name, right? And I will go to the pivot tab. I will execute our extract data mapper to fetch the latest response. Okay. See here, we got the response, and it got assigned to the cons3 node. Okay. And you can check how many records we got here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 records we need to see. Okay. See here in the results found we got 8, and how the SOQL query got formed you can see here. Okay. And the last task is fetch all user records with the name, email, is active, nickname, and username. Okay, we need to query on the user object. So I'm going to the extract tab in the bottom. If you scroll down, there is a add extract step is there. So in this drop down, you need to select your object name. I'm searching for the user object because we need to fetch the data from the user object, right? So I will name this node as a user 4. Okay, and there is no filter conditions are there, but here we need to apply the filter conditions, right? Where id, because why I am selecting the filter condition id means if the record is there means the id will not be null, because id will be the id is a mandatory field, right? That's why I'm selecting for every time I'm selecting the id field uh, id as a filter condition there. Okay, where id not equals to null. How you will write not equals to dollar velocity dot null. Okay, so we'll go to the output tab to do the field mapping for the my user object, right? I will type the name, and if you scroll down you will see that user 4 colon name. Okay, what fields we need to add? Name, email is active. Click on this plus icon to add another field to do the field mapping. Email, user 4 email. Is active. Last one is username. Right, you can see in the current JSON output also. Right, I will execute. Is the latest response. See, we got the response from the user object also. Okay, name is active, username and email. We can see here, and these are the queries that we have done using out field mapping and selecting the object. We can You can see that the SOQL queries, whatever field mapping we have done, and whatever that you can able to see here. Okay, how many records we got, that also you can see here, and all the configuration that you have made, that SOQL queries you can see here in the debug log, and the results count. And now the last task is that we need to fetch the user records, right? So here for the user object records we got 20 records. Okay, yeah, that's it guys. Uh, thank you for watching. And if you have any queries, please do comment. I'm going to respond to that. I'm going to respond to your queries. Okay. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe and share it with your friends, people who wants to learn Salesforce Omnistudio. It will help you them also. Please do subscribe. Please like the video. Thank you. Thank you for watching.